nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nikki. It is currently Saturday in South Korea, and I usually film a tutorial on a Saturday, random tutorials, it's nothing special. However, I am doing an Instagram collab, so I figured I would record the look and then post the pictures for the collab later, some point, whatever. So I'm going to be using this James Charles palette, as well as the ColourPop Mar palette, and the collab is for Disney. So I'm not going to tell you which Disney princess character this is inspired by. I'm just going to do the look and see if you can guess in the comments which Disney character, princess type look this is inspired by. First thing I'm going to do is go into the shade, is that Coty James? Yes, Coty James. So, oh, don't dig in there. This shade here, which is one of my favorite shades. I'm going to use that first, and then I'm going to use the shade next to it, which is 10% off. And this is the shade I also use to contour. So, well, that's what I've been using to contour my face. But I'm going to go into Coty James and then 10% off. So I'm going to take a little bit of the shade 10% off, which is right next to the Coty James shade. So it's like a brown shade, but there's like a lot of orange in it. And I'm just going to put that right there. I really, really like this shade, which is why I use it as my contour as well. It's really pretty. I'm going to go into the Morphe palette, and there's a shade in here. I hope this name is right. Oh, I don't want to blind anybody. I should have got something to cover this mirror because the ring light is something serious right now. The shade Top Down, which is this brown shade. I'm going to take that shade and pop it right on top of where I put 10% off. Now we're still in that Mar palette. I'm going to take the shade again because these are backwards. So I think this is Boozy, which is this gold shade right here, or this one. I'm going to take that and put that where I added the concealer using my Morphe M156 brush. I use this brush often, a lot. I think I've used this brush in every video since I've started my YouTube channel. I've definitely been using this brush an entire lot. And again, excuse the cartoons in the background. I found all these cartoons on YouTube that I used to watch, and although they speed up the sound a little bit, it's still fun to watch. And I get it, they speed that up for copyright issues, which I had a problem with that yesterday for my Face Shard Friday. Ugh. As you know, if you're new, I don't do foundation and everything on camera. If you're not new, then you know what it is. I'm going to take the two blue shades in here. Well, there are three, but I'm going to take this one and and put them on my lower lash line. And I only know for sure that the middle blue one is Gridlock. So I'm going to take, I think it's Highway. Take Highway first. It's like a mint green shade. Or mint blue, is that a thing? I mean, my students would say this is mint blue because it has like blue reflect to it. even though like when you look directly at it, it looks green, the little reflect on it is blue. And then Gridlock, which I love this shade. It's really pretty together. I don't think I've ever put them together. And my lip, I'm going to take this Etude House pencil that my friend Brianna got me in the cinnamon shade from ColourPop and combine them. Aside from the fact that I'm still rolling with wet hair, hence why this hat is on, I really like this look. Oh, wow. Oh, girl, get it together. Again, I'm not going to tell you who or what this is inspired by, but, you know, if you can guess, leave it in the comments. That's it for this Saturday's video. I like it. Well, I'm going to be filming a tag later, but still. Anyway, for this Saturday look, that's it. That's all I added. Trophy wife to the Cupid's bow, of course. I like this. I like this a lot. Maybe a little too much. My eyelash trying to come up. Girl, don't do that. I like this though. See you all later, tomorrow, something like that. Bye.